Why am I the person that's looked at crazy when I go to the doctor and they try to prescribe me medications and I say, well, wait, we haven't solved this initial problem yet. You're going to prescribe to me something that's going to cause me additional problems? And you guys aren't tracking this data. You're not tracking everyone who's taking it. I'm the crazy one because I don't want to participate. I'm like, no, I'd rather deal with the initial problem. I don't want to make new problems. So if you can't help me, fine. I'm not trying to be a pain or cause anyone problems, but people are looking at me like I'm crazy. It's like, why does it make sense to think that you can purify the body by putting poison in the body? We live in a world today where vaccines are labeled safe, even though they have potential side effects, harmful side effects, fatal side effects. And people have died and suffered from those vaccines, even recent vaccines. But they're still labeled safe and effective. And stuff like this doesn't make sense to me. I'm like, why call it safe? It's not safe. I would be okay with effective. And I'm a logical guy and I'm reasonable. It's this whole idea behind the world is dumb, citizens are dumb, or they need to be told what to do, and we need to lie to them or deceive them in order to get them to do the right thing. But what we do understand is that given the history, that if you have enough resources, meaning human resources, people, and the funds, you can do some amazing things. Here I want to do something meaningful. I thought about some of the problems that I mentioned earlier in the videos, like figuring out cures to diseases, especially the most deadly ones, to figure out how to combat some of our technological problems, some of our environmental problems like pollution, plastic waste, how to have better food, healthy food, to produce healthy food, water, and make the ground healthy so that it can produce these healthy things. We can pull together the resources. We can hire scientists. We can hire biologists. We can figure this out ourselves.